Millions who were on the Great Plain knew the fine city of Salisbury, where freedom from drills and sergeant majors was spent in its attractive surroundings. The original town, Old Sarum, was built on the plain, and it's just about 700 years ago that New Sarum, or Salisbury, was begun 2 miles from the original. From the old gateways to the picturesque houses, Salisbury's centuries of history is apparent. These delightful old houses give an atmosphere of peace and charm that only age can provide. Perhaps it is the underlying reason for our jealous guard over all such buildings in which Britain is so rich. The King's house was the lodging place of James I when he visited the city. In 1335, the Poultry, or High Cross, was built, and well has it stood the ravages of its 6 centuries. Magnificent and graceful describes the famous cathedral. This was built in the 13th century, and the lofty spire added 100 years later. It is the highest in England, and however you leave Salisbury, the cathedral can be seen rearing its splendid beauty.